Good frickin' morning. Day 7. No news this morning. Some orange folder out at 7. Not worried. Price looks interesting. We got a little bit of chop slash manipulation reversal type of thing, but more kind of chop. I'm just kind of chopping. Looking here at the 4 hour, made some relative equal highs, or making some relative equal highs on NQ. We're about to fill in this 4 hour for rally gap. And we got literally nothing. In this direction. Like nothing over there. We got that. Whatever this may be. Other than that, freaking nothing. Which is crazy, but even crazier is we got ES over here. You can see on the 4 hour, we still got some draws and liquidity left over, especially right here. Also, a 4 hour for Valley Gap that's been filled. Might inverse it actually. But we did make some equal highs. We have equal highs on ES, along with these 4 hour highs. Along with these 4 hour highs. And these seem pretty high resistance, to be honest with you. But that is what we're looking at. I wouldn't be surprised if we just ran it bearish. We are due for a retrace badly. Like, I don't know, we got this 4 hour low here. That could be a good target. But we also have these equal highs. So it's hard. Hard to really see where we want to go. But anyways, this 5-minute chart looks bullish, man. I'm gonna be honest. Swept out line lows, got this crazy wick, right? NQ looks, excuse me, wow, did look even, did look even more bullish. But it looks like we are sending these 4 hour lows. There's no way. Wow, we are just shitting. We're an S&T. We do have an S&T with ES leading. I mean, it's 5 minutes into market open. Okay, I'm gonna wait for ES to make a fucking move here. There's no confluences and no lows anywhere right here. Same thing on ES. There's nothing to the left other than the 4 hour lows. So if we're puking down, we're not going anywhere other than these lows. Although we've been getting stopped out. In pretty stupid ways. This month, like, strategy will play out. Enter, price goes in our direction like 70% of the way. No liquidity sweep, no gap, no nothing, just turns around. I'm like, what the fuck? So you know. Anyways, I want to be kind of proactive here. If we get a 5-minute break of structure to the downside, just look for some 1-minute confluences and get in. I mean, ES has just taken off already, or NQ has just taken off already. Yes is hanging back. I don't know why. Again, it's just dumb. So anyways, I would let, I mean, I want, yes, looks like it has fucking moved. Tiny for rally gap, equilibrium opportunity. I want to see this break of structure here, bro. Like, I want to see a nice 5-minute break of structure. There we go. And a nice retrace. Okay. We're going to do that now. No, you gotta break structure first, bro. Oh, I guess we have that. Oh. I'm like a little step behind. I think I'm just gonna get in this, bro. On the 5-minute time frame. Hell yeah. I don't see why not. Stop loss at. Yeah. It's kind of a shit fill. But because here's this big ass 1-minute retracement. I just want to fix this. We're gonna fix that. There we go. Oh my gosh. Am I just a dumb? Am I a stupid idiot? Is that what I am? I need to rethink. Because it's possible I'm a stupid idiot. 30-minute break of structure, retrace, bearish reaction, market open, sweep London lows, 5-minute break of structure, 5-minute equilibrium, 5-minute extension down. There's no way, right? This is a super early trade, but I'm a stupid idiot, guys. Unfilled 15-minute gap. We're getting pumped. We're about to get absolutely fucked on right now. I'm pissed. Bro, we better turn this hoe around, like. What? This is the only confluence that could hold it together. Is the 5-minute fair value gap on NQ. buy 3 here. I'm just going to slowly get out of this. Okay. Let me have a look. We gotta inverse this. Choose me to break structure back to the downside right now on ES. I mean, I entered so early. This might work. Yeah, I mean, the more I look at it, the more it seems like a silly trade. It is. We're going to fill this 1 minute gap. So I'm going to close this now. It is a silly trade. So here we go. Another bad day of trading. Rushing trades, FOMO. It's just disappointing that we're struggling with this again. It works so fucking hard not to trade like this. Yeah. How she goes, isn't it? Okay, yeah. I'm pretty disappointed with how I'm trading right now. But we're in a quick little mental reset and just we got equal highs in a stack up here that ES probably gonna want to take out. And NQ's also got relative equals here and some shit over here too. We are gonna be okay, bro. 1 minute break of structure. Here's the equilibrium. I need to see a 5 minute break of structure, so I'm gonna wait for 2 minutes. And we got all this low resistance in the 5 here, as well as these equal highs. And we're gonna inverse this gap as well on NQ. Got 1 minute. Not quite a break of structure, but for rally gap respect and some good shit here. gotta take out. Those are the equal highs. Yeah. Okay. No way. Alright, nice. Nice. Excuse me? Yo, sell limit. Hello, hello, hello? Hello? Thank you. Okay, had to lock in real quick. Oh my gosh. That's painful. Oh. Now we're on a risk-free trade. Relatively break even on the day, minus like 100 or something. It sucks because we're making such good progress through December. We come into January and we get dumped on by the markets. And I'm not even mad about these days. I'm mad about these last 2 days where these old habits of over trading and rushing and like just bad trading are coming back. It's like I've worked so hard not to do these things. So I come into the markets and try and just, you know, flow with it and just like it's just like flow state. Like I just want that flow state on the markets, and so I hop in, and I'm just getting shit on again because I'm not realizing like, dude, it's 10 minutes in a market open. Why are you taking a trade, right? You have equal highs, you have these confidences, and it's like, well, what if, right? No, it's not what if. You got to remember what price action is giving you, right? And I'm just trading like a dumbass, really. So I just want to not do that anymore. So tough, but same time, look at these nice extensions up. I think we are going to be pretty. I don't know. It's tough to say. NQ's got F all after these highs. But ES still has quite a bit of liquidity to sweep up here. So this is out. This is out. Hard to decide if I want to take full here, but look at this big 5-minute gap as well. Like I don't know if it will. It might. It honestly might. Like you never know, right? So it looks like it will. I wouldn't be surprised. Like we haven't gotten a single 5-minute retrace, and our equilibrium is at break even. In this 30-minute. closes in 1 minute. So, nonetheless, we'll get a 30-minute break of structure. It's possible that we get quite the retrace, though, too. I'm a little worried about it. NQ. Looks like it wants to go higher on this lower time frame. It'd be cool if we could bang a big long today. Yeah. Oh, that's lovely. So here's that 7 a.m. news. Consumer confidence. Richmond Manufacturing Index. Caused that little spike. Probably came out red. Hello? Hasn't even come out yet. Okay. Excuse me. One minute equal highs. I don't like this. Very different looking candlesticks on the charts. Not a fan. Some fucking lateral movement on there. What I would really like to see is us take out these 5 minute or these 1 minute equal highs. That is just the ugliest thing I've ever seen. Oh my gosh, here's the sell off. Likely stopped at a break even here. Oh, hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on. Oh my gosh. That's what I'm talking about. Let me get lucky, please. One time, just let me get lucky. Get some music going. This is crazy if I get lucky here. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh, you already know. That's not a long confluence. That doesn't tell you to go long, alright? I want us to sweep out these frickin' highs though. Sounds good. Oh fuck. Sharp movements down. We got for value gaps to support. Prefer not to make a down candle here, then we get a 1 minute SMT. Not fun, not cool. Okay, we got 1 minute SMT now. Shit. The 5 minute charts are very similar. I'm not a fan of these volume imbalances here. See, these opens are separate from the closes of the previous candle. It's called volume imbalance. It's when there's a surplus of orders. So in this case, there's a surplus of sell orders happening so quickly, and price doesn't print very clean. It's not like super reliable, but it is just a thing that shows you where volume's at, right? And you can see right here, volume imbalance to the upside. That's a good chance that price is going to move up there. And then same thing here, right? Price moving to the downside fairly quickly. I'm not a fan of that. But NQ is holding some bullish confluences, which is nice, right? Hopefully we can get NQ to deny that SMT. But here's the sell-off from these volume imbalances. It's pretty fucking annoying. And we got one on the 5 minutes. Not cool. Okay, we got a break of structure to the downside now. These charts are moving wacky wonky and frickin' sideways. Holy smokes. We got lucky down here though. But I need these highs to get taken out. Come on. Oh my gosh, this price action is just ugly as fuck. I have about 6 minutes left on these charts. 8 minutes. Then I gotta get moving. So I'm gonna start the review now. So early on into market open, I mean, we got this sell-off. We cruised past London lows, 5-minute break of structure, equilibrium confluence, and extension down, as well as some 1-minute confluences such as for value gaps and break of structure. That makes me want to get in, right? Targeting these 4-hour lows, you can see we've been very, very bullish thus far this week, and these 4-hour lows kind of look tasty. So we sent them 10 minutes into market open, forgetting that you need a frickin' manipulation before you do anything. So here's me being a tool. Price immediately reverses, like as soon as I enter, it just turns around. It's like we bottom ticked an entry. Is ridiculous. And then I'm like, oh shit, inverse this 1-minute gap. We wait for price to kind of chop and do its thing, and I'm like, all right, so we are turning around. We get a 5-minute break of structure, along with some 1-minute confluences like a break of structure equilibrium, plus a bullish move out of equilibrium. Fuck you. And for me, I get in, targeting these equal highs, and suffering a loss of $386, and then we just hit $280 TP1. We're shooting for this extra bit of money up here, but who knows if we're freaking get it or not. The 1 hour is bullish, the 30 minutes bullish, the 15 minutes bullish, the 5 minutes bullish, everything's freaking bullish. And the 4 hours very bullish. It's balanced, right? The 4 hour is fucking balanced right now. Same thing on NQ. 4 hour is balanced, very bullish. 1 hour is very bullish. 30 minutes very bullish. I mean, if I'm looking at this, if I just get on the markets right now, I want these highs, right? So I think we're just in a waiting game for now. We might get a 5-minute break of structure here. I really hope not. We got 5 seconds. Let's find out. We do not. So anywho, I think we're just kind of waiting for now, because all these higher time frames are balanced as of now. This is actually pretty clean shit doing whatever. Fuck. I'm just upset with the way I traded this morning. Rushing and FOMO snuck up on my ass for sure. And he's crazy. I mean, if we hit break even, we're only minus 100 today. Good job mitigating the loss. We saw the right move, but I don't want to mitigate losses. I want to win trades. So what are we going to do about that? Right? What are we going to do about that? Anyways, FOMO snuck up on me. Small loss, but had to take second trade. What the hell is this song, bro? pretty even looking trend action so far on both indexes as far as this piece of price action goes. Anyways, that's the review. That's the trading day. Man, it's hard. This mental game is hard, and I'm pissed that old habits were dead and are now coming back. Maybe a bit of grades just coming in because I know that this month is no good for me right now. I'm doing a lot of thinking, like if I want to increase my position size, or if I want to, try different strategies. If I want to try different strategies or up my position size or like just make a change in one way or another. And I just don't know what I want to do next with it. So, yeah, it's a little interesting. It's like I want this more than anything. I want want this more than anything. I want to be a profitable trader for the rest of my life. And it's hard. I love it. I love that it's hard. You know, everybody, if it were easy, everybody would do it, right? And it's like, well, if it worked, everybody would do it too. But, I mean, the gym and a clean diet works, and not everybody does that. So what does that tell you? I've seen this work, right? This right here is evidence that it works. Right? This right here is evidence that it works. Now it's just about getting better at it every day. And it's like, it's months and specifically days like this where you feel like you've gone nowhere. I'm a year and 8 months in. I'm coming up on 2 years into day trading. I feel like I've gone nowhere. It's difficult to deal with that too, right? But I mean, I look at me a year ago, I look at these charts very different as I did to a year ago. But it's like a year later, it's kind of getting antsy to start making money from this. Like, when can we, you know? And it's not just a question about me. Like, this is God putting this opportunity in front of me. You have to remember this. This is God that gives you that opportunity, and this is kind of bigger than just a hobby. Like, this is what I want to do for work. This is what I want to do, right? And if I have this desire so heavy on my heart, is this a gift from God? This opportunity, is it? Or am I forcing it? So at a certain point, like, am I just forcing it, working against the grain because I want? No, that's conversations that I have with the Lord all the time. And I would hope that He makes it obvious to me that I'm not supposed to be doing this. Right? If this isn't His plan. Because His plan comes first. You know, it's important to be putting Him first. And if I'm not doing that, again, I don't even know. So, yeah. Those are kind of the struggles I'm dealing with right now. I'm feeling stressed, and it's like, yeah, I'm young. I'm 20 years old, but like, there's a lot. I'm a little bit ahead of my age category in terms of lived experience and psychological insight. I feel like I've been given an opportunity to do something really cool. Like, be successful, get married, and have kids at a young age, which is what I want to do. Right, but this comes first. I need to be stable. I need to be successful. And of course, I'm picking like a very difficult path to do so. But, amen. I guess at the end of the day, it's just about knowing, like, this is what we want to do, right? That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to stick with it until, I'd rather be homeless than stop trading. And no matter how many breaks I need to take, I know that I'll be able to come back to these markets with the experience and the knowledge that I have, and be able to back test and find a strategy that works for me every time. And truth be told, my strategy has not changed in several years, or ever since I started. I just kept building on it, right? Because there's like a way these markets work all the time, right? And they move the same on every time frame. I'm gonna full close on this candle close here. So I've been in this trade for however frickin' long. Unless we get like this beautiful extension upwards in the next 3 seconds. Oh, we did. I'm just gonna put it at this fair value gap here. Okay, where's equilibrium? It's at that break even, so. I'm just gonna chase this thing heavily. But yeah, I think that's it for me today. No trading tomorrow because it's FOMC. I'm sure TGR is going to do something silly with it. So yeah, I'll see you guys on Thursday. Thanks again for sticking around if you have. Bit of a gloomy attitude today. I apologize for that. Right, but this is a game of up and downs. Right, the trading journey itself is a trend. We go up, we go down, we go up, we go down, we go up, we go down, we go up. This is what I want to do. So I get to deal with the repercussions. I get to. Because here's the other perspective is, what a blessing it is to struggle with something that you chose. God did give us free will. And so we get to choose some things. That's what it's about, right? I mean, as Christians, we chose to follow Christ. We chose that, right? That's the virtue. That is the virtue of Christianity, is that we chose it based on our opinion and our experience and what who we are. Like, we chose that. We did. You and I did. We chose to do this. So, I'm grateful for this opportunity nonetheless. Alright, I'm going to turn this recording off. I got to get on with my day. But thank you guys for sticking around if you have. Again, sorry for the gloomy attitude. Leave comments. I mean, I'm not getting a ton of views on the videos, but I'm just happy to be able to share my experiences and just showcase a little bit of what I do. Even though it's not perfect, and it never will be perfect, and even though it's not good enough, hopefully we can make somebody else feel accompanied on their journey as much as I do. So thank you guys for sticking around, and I will catch you guys on Thursday.